Hey guys and gals, how you doing? How are you doing? Let's go. What is good? What is good today? All right, turn it up, stream elements. Kind of had to pause the music there for a sec. Commercial tried to get, kind of get. Kelly Clarkson, where are you? Commercial tried to get in on the live stream. I don't think so, Bob. Who do you think you are, Bob? Somebody with money? Probably. Hilarious. I know, I'm just full of jokes. Full of them. Get a humor, you guys. Come on. Jeez Louise. Why so serious? Why so serious? Okay, here we go. Okay, I want you to do this. Okay, I got good ideas. Do that. Okay? Do that. I got a little more sleep, guys. A little more sleep. So I actually feel not so tired. Unlike yesterday, not making excuses, but holy. And I was like a long day. What was that? 18 hours? I don't know, something. Good day though. Good day. Really was. Okay. Yeah, this is one of my favorite sayings right here. Let's finish up here, guys, and then we'll get going. You guys excited? Let's go vibes. Oh, you're gonna love this. It's a challenge, okay? It's called having problems and figuring them out. That's what it's called, okay? Not everything's perfect all the time. That's not real life, you know? You knows sometimes it snows. You knows. Always face any life struggles head on. It'll just make you stronger. I'm telling you. Do the harder stuff first, and then you do the easiest stuff after. You know why? You know why? Well, think of it this way. If you do the easy stuff first, how excited are you going to be to do the hard stuff? After, like, having fun and doing all the easy stuff. Like, you're just going to be miserable after. Right? What, doesn't it make more sense to get the hard stuff out of the way, done, out of the way, and then you can do the easy, fun stuff after? Man, I'm telling you, you're going to be in a way better mood. Just saying. Okay? Just saying. I don't know, you do you. What is good? Alright, Stream Elements is popping today. Doing its job. Let's go. Be part of Discord. Yeah, right. Just pipe dreams, that's all it is. I do this for wieners and bologna, guys. That's what I do this for, okay? I do it for wieners and bologna. Let's go! Almost done here. Almost done. How's your day going, by the way? Is it good? What's good? You having a good day? I hope so. We're gonna get this 2.5D stuff done and out of the way. I have to finish up my little learn.unity thing. It's just gotta get it done, you know? Okay, closing this. Thank you for being here, whoever you are, wherever you are. Awesome, sawsome, you are. Okay, I'm letting you know, man, you're more awesome, sawsome than the rest of the world. Just telling you. I'm just telling you, man. Guy, girl, whoever you are, just letting you know. You're more awesome, sawsome than the rest of the world. I'm telling you. It's true. It really is. Needs a quick coffee? Which one do I like playing this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, we're doing a challenge today, guys. Okay? That means there's going to be bugs and errors in it, okay? All right? So here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. I'm going to let you know a little bit of the lowdown, all right? So, when you face challenges and mistakes and errors, guess what it does? Guess what it does for you? It gets your brain rolling. It makes you think. The old gears in the head start going. You know, right? You're going from an NPC to an actual human being. Okay? That's the difference. Right? NPCs use chat GPT. Okay? Because they don't know how to think, right? For themselves. They just don't. Okay? Not you guys. Not you guys. I hope you can hear me better. I think what it was that I had my mic decibels down pretty low, so that might have been it. Recent update with OBS Studio, so hopefully that's good. Check my settings. My mic was still there. Settings were good. Dun, dun. Okay, what else? So, yeah. Challenges, you know, these, if you face a problem in that, it forces you to, you know, figure it out, find a solution. That's a great thing about it. Okay, hopefully you know, you can get through it quickly, you know, in a reasonable amount of time. And yeah. So those that aren't willing to face the challenges, you know, they're not making themselves any stronger. Okay, so if we're going to talk about coding, I'm just going to, you know, let's say, you know, us, the individuals that actually force ourselves to take on the task and try to solve the problem. We're just going to be better. Bottom line. Just going to be better at it. Better at the job. Faster at the job. Yes, sir. That's facts. Better debuggers, man. That's what it makes you. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's do some problem solving, like deliberately, actually. You know, not unintentionally, but, you know, somebody intentionally wrecked this program, and well, it's our job to fix it. Come up with a solution. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Get excited. Get excited. Okay, so just as a heads up, guys, there's going to be mistakes in this project. It's going to have problems and issues we must fix. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! We must fix problem! Da! Tak! Ja nie znаю, дуже dobra. Da! Da! Just in a good mood, guys. You know, I'm not even tired. It's great. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's time. Time to work. I'll check the stream real quick. I guess I haven't even shouted you guys out. Subscribers, those that are still viewing, whoever you are, you guys are all winners, not quitters. Quitters suck. They could eat my shorts. Eat my shorts, that's what they could do. I hope they never come back to be honest. They don't deserve to learn. Don't want them back anyways. So, but anyways, you guys watching, subscribers, still part of the channel, viewers, you're all winners. I'm telling you, you are. You're strong, beautiful, intelligent people. I love it. I truly do. Ray, I was gonna check the channel quickly. Okay. Strong and intelligent. Yes, that's you. You're strong. Oh, stupid mouse. Stop sticking to the slider volume bar. Oh, how that happened. It's weird. Like, how does that work? Like, I just slide the volume, right? The little slider. And it's like, I click into my channel now, and it's like the mouse or cursor is stuck to it. And I go to move it away, and it just totally mutes it. I'm trying to listen to it, not mute it. Ah! Ja nie znaju, dużo dobra! Excuse me. I don't normally talk like that, so yeah. Hurt the voice a little bit. Okay, yeah, shouty outies, guys, subscribers and viewers, okay? Just want you guys to know, yeah. Just want you to know. Is it too much? Do I do it too much? Maybe I shouldn't say it at all. Yeah! Let's go. Viking Warrior Club. Rawr! Anyways, that was for you subscribers and viewers. Okay? That's how I feel. Okay? Awesome sauceum. Alright, let's go. It's time to work. Might have to do this in a couple of videos, so stay tuned. I promise, guys, I'll be grinding out some videos in that, so I don't know. Like, should I say it ahead of... We're going to come across problems. There's going to be issues. It's not going to be 100% perfect. Okay? It's called real life. Alright? It is what it is, and yeah, you just gotta shake it off. Have them water molecules shaking right off of you, you know, in case you have any tears. Shake it off, get up, keep going. That's what you do. Okay, so we have a brand new empty project. Okay, brand new, fresh, 3D. I don't even have, it's built-in render system, render pipeline, okay. Yeah, I want to go in here. So graphics, and we're going to be using the original input system. It's good enough for now. We're just doing this challenge. We're doing a challenge, guys, okay. There's no sense setting it up for URP or HDRP, okay? There's no need. So, built-in render pipeline we're using. Excuse me. Also, do I need Text Mesh Pro? I don't think so. But let's just do this. Okay, so we need to, first thing we're gonna do. Okay, right here, import package, custom package. Okay, it's right there. Challenge 3 start. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, guys, doing the Unity Learn. Challenge 3, balloons, bombs, and bullions. Okay. Hold up. Okay, what's up? The music still playing? Sure doesn't sound like it. Learn.unity.com. Learn.unity.com. There we go. Okay, you're gonna have to set yourself up a little bit of a profile. Just pasting in the chat. And I'm gonna save this. And we're gonna copy this and paste it and paste this. There we go. Okay. That is what we's doing. Okay, so you're gonna have to, like, if you decide you're gonna try it out, right? Yeah, check it out, man. Challenge your skill set, okay? Challenge yourself. You have to download the Challenge 3 starter files, okay? And then there's little videos, and there's, you know, a warning too. Hey guys, because you need a warning, right? For those that are not really bright, that, you know, think that they are really good at coding, but they're really just typers. You have to let them know. Warning, when you import the challenge into your project, it's supposed to have bugs. Holy George, can't even like come up with a couple of molecules of brain cells to figure that out? Wow. Not you guys. Not you guys. Come on, you guys. Relax. Just relax. You're good here, man. You're good. You're golden. Golden like the Golden Girls. Oh, yeah. Okay, so there we go. Now we import it. Here we go. Let's bring it in. We're gonna have fun today, guys. Okay, it's a live stream. It's not a fake 5-minute video. Here you go. Here's 2 lines of code. Okay, don't I look awesome? I'm like so good at coding. I typed 2 lines of code. I got 100K views. Wow. That's lame. All right, here we go. What did we get? We got some good stuff, guys. That's what we got. Some good stuff. Okay, so they have a script here, and they have a script here. Well, let's just get a feel of what's up, right? Let's see what's inside, right? Okay, figure things out, right? Let's use more than 2 molecules of brain cells, and we'll figure this out. Okay, all within 8 minutes. Okay, I'm just kidding. Unexpected timestamp, blah, 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 blah. We're going to get rid of that, okay? So we're not going to worry about it. We got sounds, we got instructions. Oh, there's instructions? Cool. Thank you. All right. Oh, man, those were good instructions. Yeet. Okay, not required, okay? thinker over here. Thinker. It's called thinking. Yeah. And having fun. And yeah. And yeah. Having fun. Let's go. Okay, so this kind of irks me, so I'm going to drag scripts into scripts. Because I like to be a little organized. Why it's separate from in its own folder, I don't know. Just clean up some stuff a little bit. We got prefabs. We got a bomb and money. Okay, cool. And we got a player. Okay, that's weird. Player object, huh? What are you guys doing? Okay, well we just got the sample scene. This is just what you get when you first create, okay, a project, an empty project. They give you something. You gotta have something. Otherwise, you're gonna be going, "Where's everything, Bob? I don't. Wait, this place is so empty. Oh, I need a warning label. Where's everybody?" They give you something so you don't feel alone, okay? So you don't feel alone, guys, alright? You're good. You got at least 2 friends here. One's the camera, and one's the sun. Alright, let's go. So we're looking for the scenes, okay? We need the scene. Okay, is that sample scene? Where's the scene, okay? We're looking for the scene, right? Sample scene is what we're in. We're looking for the actual scene. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's the icon. Okay, if you want to know, I'm going to drag and drop that in scenes as well. Okay. What we're going to do is just double click the challenge and boom. Oh, magical. And then we're just going to delete this one. Well, we can keep it. There's really no harm if we kept it. We could call it, we could like actually rename it and call it main menu, right? We could, right? We could actually do something in that if we wanted to. Okay? So no harm, no foul, right? Because if you look, you could actually, let me just see here if I can find it. Create scene, see? Right there, you can create your own scenes. Isn't that amazing? And then you won't have to feel all lonely, like there's nothing out here in this world. It's just an empty abyss of nothingness. All right, what do we have? What do we have? We have the balloons. The balloons has speakers. Cool. Wouldn't that be a little heavy? Okay, we got some bank. Bling bling, and we got a bombity bomb, bombity bomb bomb, bombity bomb bomb bomb, bombity bomb. Who's the bombity bomb? All right, there we go. Okay, so that's what we have. This is our ground. I'm gonna change the material because why not? I'm gonna change it to just standard. Okay, good enough. Okay. Let's run this and see what's up. What? Okay. Alright, not much is happening. Oh. Yeah, here we go! Okay? Those of you that think, oh, he's got a... he's broken. Look what he did. He doesn't know what he's doing. Okay, should I leave? Here we go. This is for you. Okay? This is for you, George. When you import the challenge into your project, it's supposed to have bugs. Okay? The purpose of the challenge is for you to fix those bugs, which are listed below. These are also hints. No, it's there are.
There are also hints at the bottom of the page to help you if you get stuck. We know you're using the bottom for sure.
And this is especially for you, not you watching. I'm talking about, hopefully you know what I mean.
If you cannot fix the bugs and wish to delete the challenge files from your project, most likely you probably will be doing that. 'Cause you're a quitter. In the project window, right-click on Assets.
You even need instructions on how to do it.
Right-click on Assets and delete.
Yeah, delete the whole folder called Assets. Yeah, do that. I want you to do that. I'm having fun, guys. I'm having fun. Okay? Just mocking the quitters, Just mocking the quitters. It's okay. Okay, remember, you guys are winners. Every single one of you, let's go! Okay, all right, so let's figure it out. So we have a no reference exception. Okay, what did we have yesterday? Yesterday was fun. Oh, wow. I got over it, though. Yeah. I felt a little silly after, that's for sure. I'm like, what am I doing? Okay, here, just hold up. Okay. Don't worry, we're going to get through this, guys. It's going to be good. We will get through this. All right. I feel confidence. I know it's confident. I know the word's confident, okay? I feel confident about it, all right? I do. Gotta feel good, gotta feel confident about it. So yesterday we're finishing up with Larry and his German Shepherd named Brad. Okay, so did I actually save that error message, or do I have to go look it up? Let's see. Okay. All right. I'll just bring up my channel. Because I pasted it in comments. I know that. Okay. Let's go. All right. So, console error was missing reference exception. Okay, it's kind of the same thing. Except mine said the object of type game object has been destroyed. Which totally makes sense because what we were doing, or what I was doing, is I was being silly and only living off bologna and wieners and up for 16 hours working all day. The prefab stone wall was what I was putting into my hard links. Man, I know that you're not supposed to do that. I know you're not supposed to do that. I don't know why. Just doing things. It's kind of like being an Autobot. I'm a robot. I'm just programmed to do things in the same way all the time. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm not supposed to be programmed that way. So the object that has been destroyed. So yeah, of course, the game was doing its job. It was throwing the wall, and it was destroying the wall. And then as soon as that got destroyed, that's when the error happened. Totally makes sense now when it's telling you. You gotta read between the lines. They're literally saying the object of type game object has been destroyed. Okay, hello? The thing that you're using just got destroyed. Okay, let's not get into that. But anyways, this one says object reference not set to an instance of an object. You'll see this, like, I'll guarantee people trying to find a solution to this on the old interweb somewhere. I'll guarantee somebody's going through this and asking about it. Okay, let's see. No reference. So right from the get-go, like, we haven't even done anything. We already got, you know, a red error. Okay, red is bad, really bad. Okay, so object reference not set to an instance of an object. I know with player. Okay, player. Okay, with player. So they have. So normally, what I'll do is I'll create an empty, and then I'll put I'll put the player inside and such, and let's see. How do I say this? So when you're doing different type of code, like with your, geez, I don't even want to talk about that stuff. But when you're trying to communicate between scripts, there's a couple of ways of doing it. Okay. And one way works with the player just being the parent, and the other way works with the player acting as a child. Okay, so these are kind of things you have to be aware of. Anyways, I'm not going to get into that because I'm not prepared to show you examples and stuff. We need to focus on a solution here. Okay, not talking about other things. Okay, let's look at the code scripts. Let's just open up Visual Studio and see what's up. Okay, so we got the one open. We need player control open. Okay, player control. We're gonna need all these. We'll open them eventually, but I'm thinking let's just start with the player control and see what's up. Okay. Alright. Okay, what do they have? Okay, common stuff I've seen. I recognize this. Okay. I might change the code up a little bit because, you know, I like things kind of my way, I guess. Not to say that their way is wrong. I just like to add extra things. That's all. Such as private is one of them. Privbait? What's a privbait, guys? I have no idea what a privbait is. Okay, this is Unity's built-in, what can we call it? Built-in, what's a method, of course. Built-in, well, it's part of the on-collision, right? The collision, let's see, we have the physics engine, collision engine. Collision, part of the old collision engine. Collision engine. Hey, say that 10 times. Take that to the bank. Buy yourself some wieners and bologna. Ah. Okay. So what we have here in the start, we have physics, gravity, player audio, get components. Okay. We have RB Act Force. What? Why is that in the start? Okay, I like to be a little more organized with my code. They're just, you know, the way they're doing it here is fine. Okay, it still works. Okay, but when we're talking about update and fixed updates and such, you can actually tweak your code a little bit so that the program runs a little bit smoother. Okay, there are ways. Okay, and that's kind of what I try to do, show you guys. Right? Awake methods, fixed updates, those sort of things. Okay? We're going to reorganize this a little bit. I have kind of a standard regular system that I've already got. So, and then I'll just cut, whoops. Don't mess with your curly brackets. Okay, let me look at some of my older code. Going into player, we'll start here. Okay, I like to do this kind of stuff. Okay, and that's a Boolean is game over. Leave that public. I already have an idea what they're doing there. This has to do with when you're getting script to talk to each other. That's why that's why this is public. Okay, is game over. I know that's gonna make errors. I know that. Okay, just gotta immediately fix them is all. Might have more too. Yeah, I thought so. See, this is what I'm talking about. I knew it because this is part of the script communication. Okay, that's why I had to go into here and do it too. I knew it. Oh yeah. So public bool is game over, and it probably will see it here in the player script as well. See, here we go. It's unchecked, right? Which means it's false, right? We still got to get rid of this error. We can't do anything till we figure that out. Okay. I'm going to put my usual header stuff. Player movement variables. Oh, I just ran it. I don't know what that shortcut is. I hate it. I went to go Control S, Control Shift S. I don't know what I hit Control something. It built it. Of course, it's gonna fail something. You don't normally run Visual, like if you're doing console applications, yeah, you would run Visual Studio. But we just need to save Visual Studio. The code's being run from, the script into here. We're not actually running. I hope you know what I'm talking about and that you're learning C++ and C# and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, there's a big difference between what we're doing here and a console application. Okay? Alright. Always need coffee. Manager. Okay, so let's open that one up quickly. Spawn manager, there we go, is game over. It's telling me, don't do that. Oh, Control Z is my friend. Whoever invented Control Z, you're a genius. Actually, it's the undo. It's not the Control Z. Come on, guys. Whoever invented undo. Undoes this. Okay, what other script do we need? We got move, we got player controller, and we got spawn. So move, player, and spawn, repeat background. I'm also just get everything opened up and spin objects. Okay, cool. Spinning objects too. Awesome sauce. Okay, back here. Right here, and again, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be pushing in. We're gonna be probably doing this in a couple of videos. Okay. M float force. This is public, and it's also doesn't have a value. Let's see. Where's the code? Spin speed, there's that. You just got to kind of reflect and just figure out what is. Okay, it's set at 50. Float force is 50. Okay, that's a pretty high number. Alrighty. I know based off of physics, gravity, when you're using rigid bodies, gravity only works with the physics engine, only works with rigid bodies. Okay, and you can have what I call a gravity modifier. Okay, I'm gonna put that in here. I think I have it here. Right here. Okay. My old gravity modifier. Okay, what else do we have? We have header, we have the particle system. Okay. I should have named it different. Particle system. This is the particle system. Vital components. Special effects, right? SFX components. Something like that. Something to that effect. That'll be good enough for now. Okay, we'll just do a little bit here, guys. Okay. And then audio player. Okay. And then we have this. Okay. We have a couple of sound clips. So if we look, we should probably have a couple of sound clips. Let's just look. You kind of have to get an idea, like a grip around your own brain cells, what's here and what's not here, right? Okay, there we go. Money sound is blip. Money sound is blip. Okay, so I just want to take notes just in case I change things, okay? I know which sound it is, okay? Going into File Explorer here quickly, and we're gonna look at the extension for these little sounds are there we go. Okay, blip.wave, wave sounds. Okay, and the other one is called boom, explode. Okay, I'm doing this. There are little notes for myself in case I change things, and then I'm not having to try to figure out what is what. Okay, it's just gonna make life easier. Get to the chopper. Okay. What we're missing is, okay, hold up. Okay, I like to put that stuff in an awake method. Private, void, awake, tab, boom, bop, beep, bop, bop, boop. Here, we're just gonna do a little reorganizing of the code. I'm trying, that way everything's kind of consistent with what I have. I have a little more sleep, guys, so my brain is thinking a little bit better today. A little bit faster. Okay, probably a few minutes faster than 8 minutes. Haha, let's go. Coffee. Can never have enough. Okay, so I like to put this inside and awake. Okay, explode. What? The player audio one. I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's inside. We're missing the. Okay, we got the gravity. Okay, gravity. Okay, cut this. Control X. There, gravity. And we're missing the rigid body. We're missing the rigid body. I don't see it. I see right here add force, but we need to get the component that's missing. RB equals get component rigid body, right? Okay, I see gravity and stuff in here. Automatically that's telling my brain that the player has a rigid body. And there we go. Player has a rigid body. Okay. All right. Let's just, okay, we have these warnings. What else do we have? That's it. We don't have the any more warnings. What's up? Control S. I'm just gonna clear. This one just says blah blah field gravity is assigned but never used. That's a minor warning. Okay, it's just telling us, you know, hey, you're creating stuff, but oh, there we go. Let's go. Oh snap! Where'd the balloon go? Where is it? Whoa! All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, that'll trigger an aneurysm. Oh, we got a new problem. That was it, though, guys. That must have been it. Okay? That had to have been it. Okay? It was missing the rigid body. So that other error warning. Error, no reference exception, object reference not set to an instance of an object. Get component. That's essentially like, for me, when I hear getting an instance of an object, I think of newing up. That's what my brain tells me. But I know here with this is get component, right? This here is the link between the code and the rigid body, right? Because it accesses whatever information or properties are of the rigid body, okay? Whether gravity is on or off, those kind of details. They had this code here, so that told me automatically, hey, they're using the physics engine, hence rigid body. I've been working with character controllers. We're going to be doing that in the future, guys. And yeah, the code's not easy. Okay, working with, you got to create your own gravity. The great thing about, there's pros and cons between character controller and rigid body. Rigid body takes advantage of the awesome physics engine that they created with Unity. Well, the Unity created, right? The awesome devs, they created an awesome physics engine, okay? The point is, if you tweak the values properly, you can get a nice, realistic movement of your player, okay? Gonna leave it at that. Okay, let's look at what the problems are, okay? So, first one saying the player, we had to get rid of that first bug. Well, that was a major one. You couldn't even play the game or do anything until you got rid of that. We also have this other one, trying to invoke method. Spawn manager X prawns object couldn't be called. Okay, let's look at the spawn manager real quick. Okay, it's saying here, okay, this is the name of the script. Prawns object couldn't be called. Prawns object. Okay, prawns object. Okay, we're in the spawn manager script. Prawns object, right here. Prawns object. Okay, so now this here I know is a method because it's kind of a neat thing for me. Like I think this is the neatest thing. Like normally, a person creates this is what's called refactoring, right? I love refactoring and creating my own methods. Okay, that's what this is. Okay, somebody created a method here. This isn't a built-in, this is an actual person created it. Okay, and named it and everything. Okay, and it's called spawns object. Spawns object, prawns object. Nice try, guys. Nice try. That's what it is. That's why it's critical, guys. The name of your, when you create your script, the class name has to match. It must match. Uppercase and lowercase lives matter. Okay, truly does. Okay, that's funny though. I like that. That's hilarious. Prawns object. They're trying to be sneaky over there. Nice try. Okay, here we go. Okay, there, that got rid of that. Okay, this one's my own creation. Okay, I could get rid of that easily by just going. When I'm ready to use it, I could just uncomment it. Okay, that's how you get rid of it. If you don't want to see any warnings, just a yellow warning, nothing critical. Okay, no need to run away and stop watching the channel. I know, I'm hilarious. There, see, all gone. Let's go! So there we go, that fixes that problem. Whoa, what just happened? This balloon, because we're using a rigid body in the physics engine, I know that balloon's gone to California! Well, actually not California, more like Mars. I'm not even hitting any buttons. Where's the balloon? Oh, there it is. Holy! That value is way too high. It's sent. I know what happened. It sent that balloon to literally to Mars, and that value is 50. I knew that was way too high. That's like smashing it. That's Hulk smashing it. Literally. Hulk smashing. Hulk smash! Okay. I'm just gonna use kind of what I've used before. Lower value. Something way lower. Getting through this. So we've got the first one started. The player can't control the balloon. Well, we still can't control the balloon. We got to the point where we could just get into the game. They really had some nice challenges, that's for sure. Make you think a little bit. But it doesn't take this guy 8 hours, okay? I'm not wasting 8 hours of my employer's day because I didn't know that my code was missing syntax. And I wasted the whole day trying to figure out why it won't work. And I needed ChatGPT at the end of the day, and I still didn't figure it out. Oh, the humanity. Just jokes, guys. It's supposed to get you to laugh. That's what it's supposed to do. Why so serious? Okay, where were we? I shouldn't have did that. I should not have done that. Okay, where were we? Alright, let's just check out the next problem. The background only moves when the game is over. Oh yeah, okay. I remember the background thing. The background's fun. So much fun. So much fun. There was something else I was going to check out though. What was I going to fix? Oh yeah, the force. Yeah. That force was way too insane. Way too insane. So we're going to lower that value quite a bit because that balloon was gone. I know just from doing the other projects, you can send a rigid body like literally. See ya! Okay? It's fine for a balloon, but if you're sending a human being up into space, they kind of need a suit. Okay? Just saying. Alright? The world is 3D, not 2D. Wouldn't the water roll off the edge into space? And then there would be none left? Man. Smart like grass seed. Actually, grass seed's probably smarter. Anyways. Okay, give it the program here. Jeez Louise. Alright, I'm not saying I'm perfect, guys. Okay, I have my own thingamadooies. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do a serialized field, and then we're gonna do a private, Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. It's a float, right? And I'm just going to go like this. Control X. And I'm going to go M. Just putting an M in front of it. That's all I'm doing, guys. And it's going to equal a much lower value. Okay, let's just start with gravity. Okay, float force is gravity force. Okay, makes more logical sense. Okay, I'm gonna have errors somewhere. 61. Okay, just roll her down to the red area. Okay, there it is. Hello. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, that's gonna definitely lower the value. Okay, and then since I'm already doing this, I'm gonna, because I know I'm gonna want to do this because it's bugging me. M and E, because I'm updating it anyways. Okay, money sound. Where's money sound? Money sound is here. Explosion sound is here. All I did is I'm just doing the naming convention, proper naming conventions, because it's public, guys. That's why. Oh, we got the gravity modifier right here. Okay, so I can get rid of that. I already have it here. Okay. Bye. We just got to fix that one. See, where is it? Right there. There we go. Another problem solved. Okay. All right, so if I actually play, so now the balloon should like be a lot better. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a better. Much better. Matza mia. That's why we're getting the explosion. They actually put a bomb, a bobbity bomb right there. It's bobbity bomb. Oh. Yeah, we gotta definitely fix that back screen. One shot was called no. Oh, silly me, guys, silly me. I'm doing this again. I'm just getting excited, too excited to, play it, right? You would do the same thing. You would get excited. Okay, so money is blip, and explosion is boom. Money is blip, blip. Money is blip. And explosion is boom. I already know what to do. Hard links. Easy peasy. No. I always go Control Shift S in visual, but Control S in this. We should be good now. There we go. Okay, no issues. Okay, we'll kind of tackle it little bit. I can see they got a game over error too here, or a game over thing. Okay, so where are we? Okay, the background, right, let's do the background. Repeat background, there we go. Okay, repeat background script. Just tackle things little bit, guys. Okay, little bit. All right. A lot of this is going to be consistent, or guaranteed. Okay, so we have vector position. Okay. I like doing this. I like zeroing it out. It's kind of like assigning it a value. You can do that. For me, I don't like stuff being like just from a C++ background. You know that if you don't initialize your variables, you're just gonna be storing garbage. So I've built a habit of initializing. That's what it is. Okay. Alright, what's next? Whiteout controls. I don't know, I can name it something like positional controls or something like that, right? positional. Okay, and then we're gonna need this. Repeat width. Okay, we have everything in the update. Let's see, I used an awake method. Private void awake, and these are just notes for you guys. Like, okay, physics. They have theirs. They called repeat width. Repeat width. I called mine K back set. K back set. That's what mine's called. Okay. I just gotta make sure I update the errors. That's all. Get fixed. Okay, all gone. Alright, and that goes into, we got to get the component right. That's the next thing we got to check. Okay, so we got to check to see if the background has a box collider. And yes, it does. They have a box collider attached. The other things, just like things you need to be aware of, you got to, use your more than 2 molecules of brain cells, right? And then you'll be able to solve a problem in under 8 minutes. Okay? Note to self. Oh, the background has the move left script. Okay. Yeah, that was from doing the other projects. That's what they had before. Check. Repeat background, right? That's the code. That's the script we're working on now. And the other thing was the box collider. The box collider, where we need to get component because we need this information. That's what the get component does. It retrieves any information that is stored or connected with the box collider that's attached to this. Okay? Man, I already need more coffee. Let's go. Okay, so box collider attached, check. Oh, there we go. There's box collider right there. They've actually done the formula for us. Okay, so good. So that gets put into here in our awake method. Okay. And then, so basically it's taking, so you understand, the total length of it is 112.8. Okay. We're just dividing that value by 2. Mathematics 101 gives you the middle, and boom, it repeats. As soon as it gets to the middle, it repeats. It moves, gets to the middle, repeats. It moves, gets to the middle, repeats. That's basically what it's doing. Okay, so in start, we do keep the start method, and that has start position equals transform position, right? We're storing the transform position of the background into start position, okay? Essentially. Again, start position's a vector 3, okay? X, Y, and Z equals vector 3. Yeah. So we're going to just do our own refactoring here, guys. Okay. I like to be consistent and do the same thing kind of all the time. So private, void, and plus for you guys get used to what I'm doing, right? Loop back, around. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this out, Control X, because I know that's the reason why I'm creating it, is so that I can go like this. Control C, we're putting it into a regular update. Okay, there we go. All right, good practice. I just want to confirm that was project, the last project we were working on. Anyway, so so that's why it's kind of fresh a little bit. Just want to look at the background. Was that 2? No, that wasn't 2. That was prototype 3. Background loop, background loop. I just want to confirm that it goes into the proper method. Where are you? Here we go. Yeah, it looks like update method. Okay. Alright, we'll just leave it in there. Okay, so all I did was some refactoring, guys. Nothing too crazy. So just to confirm, okay, if background moves left by its repeat width, moves by, yeah, we just talked about that. So if transform position dot x, and we're using one of the directions, right? Again, vector 3's 3 directions. All right. Click that. Hit a bang, hit a boom, right? X is that direction, which means that way's positive. Okay, so X is that direction. We only care about that direction. Essentially, that's the direction the game's going. Whoa, what are you doing, Batman? Don't do that. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay. So if it's less than the start position dot x minus k back set, and that looks like the way it was before, yeah. Dun-dun-dun. Comparing it to kind of what the last was, so yeah. And then da equals start position. Basically resetting it. This is the reset code right there. That's what resets it. This line. Okay? Because you're taking the start position, which is stored, whatever's stored here, gets put into here, gets carried to here, gets put into here. Okay? And repeat. Rinse and repeat. Okay, let's just double check, make sure we have everything good. Okay, start position equals vector 3, 0. We got our back set. Again, back set would be essentially this, right? You could actually just put the value, but you could divide it by 2, right? This here is all basically one value divided by 2, essentially. Whatever information gets pulled from Y, is it Y? Hold up, Y? That seems wrong. That don't seem right at all. That don't seem right at all. It's X. We just finished talking about that. Y is vertical. Right? It's accessing the Y value. It's just a value. It's not a direction. It's just a value. So it'll take whatever value Y is and divide that by 2, which isn't very much, right? There are obviously 2 different values. Look at it, right? So no, we don't want size.y, we want size.x. Aha! Nice try, guys. Nice try. Nice try. Go get yourself some French fry. That's all I had. Good thing I looked at the code and I was like going, hey, what's up? Can make sure that they're using the box collider, not something else. Okay, yeah. So it makes sense? I hope it makes sense to you guys, right? We need the size.x value, okay? It's moving in the x and y direction, not the y direction. Okay, position start equals transform position. Okay, just go like this to kind of separate the wordage, the notes from the actual code. Okay, this is just our own method, refactored method, and if the transform position x, yep, good, that checks, is less than the start position dot x subtract that from our back set, which is this calculation right here. Okay? Whatever gets calculated here gets put into here. Okay? Because it gets stored. Right hand side gets stored in the left hand side. Okay? You'll see if you're learning coding, actually learning, you'll hear the terms LHS equals, let me just type it, LHS equals RHS. You'll see that. Commonly see that. Okay. All right, I think we're okay. So hopefully that fixes that. Let's have a look. So save it, and let's test it. Okay, go like this, and just give her the old run skis. All right, it's not moving still. Okay. Why is it not moving? Boom, now it's moving. Okay, so it's starting when we basically fail. So let's go look at the player controller script. Okay, so we are looking for anything that has to do with, well, obviously the game's supposed to end when it, okay, so let's do that now. Okay, let's look at tags. Let's check out tags. Here, let me just go here. Player. Player doesn't have a tag. Well, there's a player inside automatically, guys. You can give player a tag anytime. So if I go to add tag, it's not here. It's not a created thing. It's actually there all the time. So let's select player. Player. Okay, do that. Money's bombs. Okay, money has tags. Okay, good. And bombity bombs has a tag. We have maybe overrides too to do. We do. Okay. Spin speed negative. What? Why does this have to? Those have to spin too? I guess they would. Makes sense. Okay. All right. I won't mess with it. Just little things, little details to kind of let yourself know. Okay. These are the actual objects in our world, okay? So they're most likely going to be prefabs as well, right? Which we've noticed. Now it's really weird how there's a player prefab. That is not a common thing for me, which is weird. Because, you know, like it doesn't, why would you drag and drop player into a prefab and make the player a prefab? We're not spawning the player. So it just seems weird that it's there. And then if we look, okay, it's missing the sound script. Okay, we have it here. The actual player that's in the environment has the sound. Is there like an override? No overrides. Okay, you know, I'm thinking of deleting it, but I'm just gonna wait. Okay, first things first. We're gonna clean up the messes a little bit before we do anything crazy. Because I know if I do something, I'm just going to end up with more problems. I'd rather just wait. Let's just wait. Okay, hold on to your french fries. Okay. The background's not moving, right? We still have to solve that. Background. So the background has, just think a little bit, right? Background has the move script. It has the repeat script. Okay, let's look at the move script. Here we go. Okay, background. Okay, let's read this. I'm going to update this code here a little bit too. Okay, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is a script communication right here. script communication right there. That's what that is. Okay, so they're using, you know, the there's another way that I do it, but which is fine. Either way, it's just a preference thing, really. But yeah, you have to have this bool public for it to work with this. The way that I do it, or it's kind of the old school way, I guess. You would make this a static bool, right? And then just direct call the player script name and then the dot separator. Anyways, back to this. Okay, and I want to look at my move left script. Just kind of the other stuff, and then just compare, right? It's not going to be exactly the same, guys. It's going to be, you know, have its own unique things going on. So this float here has no value attached. Now everything I know from the other projects, you want the speed values to be the same. There you got a value of 10. So I'm taking a note of that. Just a value of 10. Just to, you know, give me an idea what they are using. Okay. Background is gonna have the move left. The money is gonna have the move left. Oh, different speeds, huh? Okay. All right, they're moving at different rates. Okay, money is moving at 8. Okay, note the self. That's why they didn't assign a value to it. Technically, you can give money a different one, but whatever. So money is value of 8. Sometimes I'll just actually initialize it, but you know, this works too. What they do here is there's nothing wrong with it. It still works the same. They have different values, right? It's meant to be that way, right? You don't want everything exactly the same, right? Okay, so I like to be consistent with the code here. It's recommended that the last thing you multiply is the vector itself. And this is translating off based off space.world. Cool. The coordinate space in which to operate. Alright, awesome sauceum. Okay, I want to change this value. Or do I? Maybe not. I want to make it look like this. Like this. I want to make it like this. Actually, it's public. But I could serialize field it as well. You know, do the same thing. I wonder if I should leave it. Is it going to change the values if I do that? Probably. It will do that, I think. Okay, that's why I'm taking little notes here. Okay, so M underscore move speed. Okay, and I'm just going to go like this. This. Okay, so the other one was 10 as well, if I recall. Money was 8. Money was moving slower. Okay, did it change? It didn't change. Well, okay, that's because I still haven't updated anything here. That's why. That's my bad. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, don't mess things up. I just had to do this. I should have did that first. There we go. Okay. Now it's going to probably change. See? 0. Okay. I gotta pay attention to these things. So money was 8. That was 10. And background was also 10. Okay, let's run that. Nothing's moving though. Still. Okay, it moves after you crash. So that has to do with collision or something. Okay, so if the game is over, then transform. What? That's what. If the game is over, then transform. Yeah. No, guys, no. The game is not over. Nice try, guys. Right there it is. It was a Boolean. Now let's run it. There we go. Let's go. Big yays. We're moving now in the right direction. Except there's nothing going on. We're just... The background actually looks good too. It's moving at a decent rate. It doesn't look derpy. Okay, background, move speed 10. Gotta make sure when I change things that I check my values. Okay, I should actually take note of these values too before I derp those. So, okay, the only thing that has, let's see, spin code. Whoa, why is it? Oh my god. I just noticed my music. Like, how does that happen, guys? Okay? Look at this. How does it play halfway? It's not even finished, and it goes to the next video. How does that even happen? How's that even possible? God, that stuff irks me so bad. Because I'm sitting here thinking, right? And then all of a sudden I realized that the background music had a different sound. I just clued in because I'm not paying attention to music. I'm focused here. What time is it? I think I need coffee. I'm starting to get a little irf. Yeah, we're going to leave it at that, guys. I'm going to have a quick break. Tech Dave, where's Larry? We're going to give Larry a break. I got that little solution. It took me a minute. I'm kind of giving myself a hard time, Tech Dave. That was a silly mistake, but that's okay. I did figure it out. It wasn't very long after you had left, I figured it out. Has to do with, well, I don't know. You'll have to see it. See the pain. You'll have to watch the pain again. What's up with the balloon? This is a challenge. It's one of the challenges, Dave. So when you finish working with Larry, then you do the challenge after. Okay? That's how it's going. Appreciate you being here, brother. I'm gonna go. I need a quick latrine break and quick washroom break. Well, that's what I mean. I mean more coffee. But I gotta remind myself. I gotta record the values of the speed here. I gotta do that before I forget. Record the speed values before changing. Yeah, I'm just trying to make things a little bit easier for me. Okay, that's in spin speed. Alright, guys. Appreciate you watching, viewers, subscribers, every single one of you. Awesome. Tech Dave, appreciate you dropping in. Give me half an hour, bro, and I'm gonna continue with this project. I'm not done. I'm actually having fun with it. Larry, if the views pick up on it, I'll go back to Larry. Yeah. You're good. You're good, Tech Dave. You really are. You're good, brother. Ah! Namaste! Namaste! Namaste. This guy. I just gotta do a quick translate here. Hold up. Ah, goodness gracious. Close this. Dun, 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 dun. Brother, it happened. What happened? Ah! Switching. Brother, what happened? I'm not sure. This is awesome. I'm having fun communicating with this guy that goodness gracious! Click the right thing, George! I'm just gonna chat with him quickly because, you know, I'm cool that way. I'm going to converse with those that are, you know, being part of the channel. And if you're not part of the channel and not conversing, well, obviously I can't converse with you. I'm gonna finish here and then keep doing that. I always click the Unity instead of the OBS. Okay. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, we'll see you soon, Tech Dave. I didn't mean to. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I'm not very multitasking one thing and talking about another and doing another, and yeah. Plus, I'm like Google translating. Yeah, I appreciate you, Tech Dave. We'll see you soon. Yeah. Yeah, you know, that's the great thing about YouTube. You can skip the painful parts. You can skip the painful parts and go to the good stuff. All right, that is it, guys and gals. Much love. Appreciate every single one of you. Every single one of you. Let's go. Sound effects. This is for you. This is for you. Okay. Close this. And one last comment. And there we go. Alright guys, much love. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, whoever you are, wherever you are. You're all awesome, beautiful, intelligent people. I appreciate you being here and watching. Awesome sauce. Johnny with WhiskeyTango coding for now, saying peace out guys.
And we'll chat at you with you soon.
Peace.